Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of my family's homemade natural drink that helps you to get rid of fever and cold really quick. As this drink is made of natural ingredients, this do not cause any side effects. I suggest you to have this drink as soon as you have symptoms. Ingredients required to prepare this homemade drink: juice of 1 lemon, half tablespoon grated garlic or 3 to 4 cloves garlic chopped, half tablespoon grated ginger or 1 inch ginger chopped, 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder, and 1 or 2 spoons honey according to your taste. Making this drink is very easy. Add all these ingredients in a glass of lukewarm water and have it. You can have this drink 3 to 4 times a day for good results. Get well soon and take care.